Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this aluminum tray with the Blue Magic metal polish cream. So what we're going to do is take some of this metal polish cream and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible. And then we're going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe it away to reveal a mirror shine. The Blue Magic metal polish cream worked really well and made a nice mirror shine. A few points of interest about the polish cream is that it's non-abrasive, it removes tarnish and oxidation, and also provides a long-lasting protective coating. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.